How do small businesses make use of AI? But before to use AI, they got to use their head themselves by getting to the right prompt. So, what would you suggest them that can help them save their time, save their energy, and actually make the best use of AI that is available today?
You need to understand, like you had mentioned, AJ, what the specific thing is that you want to get, right? And so I tell entrepreneurs all the time is using AI and trying to create these prompts will actually make you a better communicator, because you can't just go into this program and say, write a marketing plan. That's not going to work. Or what is my target market? I use that as an example a lot. So you can't go in there and just say, what's my target market? You actually have to say, this is my business. And when you describe your business, you have to put in as much information as everyone is an expert in what they do. They may not be an expert in business, but if you're one example business that I use all the time is a lemonade stand. Super simple, right? And so you're an expert in making lemonade, but you may not be an expert in understanding specifically how your target market or your customer thinks. So that would be called, and I'm sorry for the jargon, but that would be called like psychodemographics, right? Or behavioral demographics, understanding how your client or customer thinks or behaves. And so if you don't know that part, but you know how to make lemonade and you know how much you charge and you know what your ingredients are and all of that jazz, you know where you're located, put in all of that information in your business description and then say, what is the target market for the business above, including basic demographics, which include, age, gender, income. So basic demographics, psychodemographics, behavioral demographics, all of that, you have to be very specific in order for it to give you the best content that it can give you.